Hello, my name is Kelly Kennedy from the True Wellness Center, and this opportunity that I am inviting you to is completely rare and unique, like every single heartbeat in your life. Did you know that every heartbeat in your life is unique? That frequency that's measured from your heart, which is a numerical value, literally is going to be different than every other heartbeat ever in your life? Did you know that just like the snowflakes, like Masaru Emoto taught us, right? That the water crystals, that when we speak beautiful words, beautiful water crystals show up. When we speak ugly words, ugly water crystals show up, and that we're mostly water. So this has a lot to do with our overall health. As we dive into the science of energy, as we understand the secret life of water, as Veda Austin has shown through the intelligence of water through her books, there's a lot here. And at the heart of all of it is our heart song, is us, is the energy that flows through our body. Rasmus Scout Bergenhausen worked with Emoto for 17 years, and he is the gentleman that I've had the utmost privilege to work with and study with for the last 5 years. And I've created some master classes with him. I've done some podcasts with him. But since COVID hit, we've not been able to do what we've really wanted to do, which are these in-person immersion workshops, lecture series. So we are finally announcing our Heart Coherence Tour to you. So we have two events, one in San Diego, one in Sarasota, both in October. The San Diego event will be an all-day Sunday on the 20th. If you're going to the HIX event, the Health Intelligence Exchange on the 18th and 19th, then you can get a discounted code to attend our all-day Sunday event, or it could be a standalone opportunity for you to come and dive in deep with Rasmus, the most coherent mind and heart that I've had the beautiful experience of working with for the last 5 years, as he dives into the science of math and the science of the heart and the science of water and how they're all connected, and heart rate variability and what that really dynamic tool is really informing us and helping us by its nature to help us heal when we are connected to it ourselves and can reflect back our own unique frequency in that live moment and convert that frequency into a musical note or into a light frequency, which is really what we are, right? Is we're light and sound, but we don't get an experience with our own vibe. This is your experience. This is your opportunity to experience just that. So in San Diego, we'll be doing that all day on Sunday with lecture and workshop, allowing folks that are there to be able to have that immersive experience with their own heart song, with their sound of soul. You'll get an audio clip at the end, which you'll continue to entrain as you always can with your sound of soul. In Florida at the Sarasota event, we will be doing the next weekend on the 25th and 26th. It'll be a Friday night, hour and a half to 2 hour lecture, a little bit about water, heart rate variability, sound of soul. Then we'll be diving deep all day Sunday again for the in-person lecture and workshop opportunity for you to experience your own internal heart song as an auditory experience and a visual experience through light. Rasmus, I would honestly say, is the smartest, most aligned human, one of the top 10 beings that I've ever been exposed to. I have learned a tremendous amount from this man, and he's extremely humble. Having an opportunity to sit with Rasmus for a day, to be honest with you, is like sitting with Einstein or sitting with Tesla. It's not incredible because you can believe it, because it's an opportunity that you actually have. It is an amazing opportunity. And I invite you all for a nominal fee of registration to dive into your heart song, into what really heals, which is your heart and you're the medicine. And if this is something that interests you as a practitioner, please do join us. We are looking to have a deeper, meaningful experience for those practitioners that have a sound of soul. So this is calling for you, as well as of those you practitioners or clients that are looking to have a deeper, meaningful experience of your life, and housing some technology that will help you facilitate that for yourself and others. So we are looking for folks that are interested in taking this technology out to the world to join us for this all-day event on Sunday the 20th in San Diego and all day on Saturday the 25th in Sarasota, Florida. So all the details are below, and I look forward to hugging each one of you and to bringing this journey of your Sound of Soul to your neighborhood, to your clinic, and to your community, as I have with ours. Truly, from my heart to yours, this is Kelly Kennedy, and we'll see you on the Heart Coherence Tour.